Guys, welcome to my videos and channel. I'm gonna show you amazing for today in the middle of the night. Okay, I got my piggy bank and I'll open it in New Year, Christmas, or everything. I'll open it in that pig circle. Okay, if you see it, just comment. If you didn't see it, just comment heart broke. Okay. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Did you see it, guys? If you saw 100, comment a like. And if you didn't see it, just heartbroken. Okay? And I got my rainbow teddy bear. Can you guess what is her name? Hi. Okay. What is her name? I won't tell you because this is a secret name. Okay? Are you ready? What is her name? Okay, fine. I will tell you her name. Okay. Her name is her name is Bella. Bella. Because if you want to say you want her name Rainbow Teddy Bear, that's okay, guys. It's just my teddy bear. It's for my fans, just like you guys in a comment. Okay, just remember, like and subscribe in the channel and comment a heart and share this video. Bye bye.